Entity compliance and structural signals. What's important? You need to form. You need to be commercially formed. Hopefully, you formed already. You might be a sole prop on a Schedule C. You might be an 1120S, an S Corp, a pass-through entity. You might be a partnership, a 1065 that you file. It could be a C Corp, an 1120. And there are different reasons to have different formations. And that really is a tax conversation. It's not that it's not included in this course. It's important to understand what you file, when you file, how the bank reads what you file. But this is not so much formation types and tax strategy within this course and blueprint. The focus is that you're in good standing and compliant so that you can be eligible for bank financing. That's important. And so you have your EIN letter, that you have your DBA, you're doing business as. You're able to produce that when the bank needs it, that you're in good standing with the IRS, that you're at minimum, if you have outstanding obligations, they're in a payment plan, and you're able to produce that payment plan. So structured as a business. So when you fill out your application, you know what box to check. Very, very important. And you can make different elections. That's why you have your accountant. So maybe it's more favorable 1 year to be elected as an S Corp. That's for your accountant to understand. But what's most important for eligibility, which is what this is all about, your business eligibility, is that you're in good standing in all these fashions. And that you are truly formed as a commercial entity. Because you need to be that we're lending commercially, not personally. And it's got to be through that business account that has the exact business name and the address associated with the business and what's shown in the tax return and what's shown in your Secretary of State. Very important. So that's what in good standing is, and being commercially sound and in compliance. It's having good standing Secretary of State. It's having your EIN letter and able to produce your operating agreements, your articles of incorporation. Depending on how you're formed, it's having all these key formation docs at the ready to produce for your bank financing application. Very important. We can help you with that. So if you have questions, do reach out. We'll get to the next topic.
Learn how banks evaluate structural signals and what your business needs to become truly finance ready. Visit businesseligibility.com.